Our portion this week, called Shoftim, means judges, and we're told at the very beginning of the portion how Moses sets the framework for the people to conduct themselves as a just society, a society that will conduct itself by the rule of law. Judges will be set up within the land of Israel to represent the community and to adjudicate cases to ensure fairness and justice for all. Their justices cannot be blind, they cannot be bribed, they cannot favor the wealthy, the people with stature over anybody else. All are equal in the eyes of justice and in the eyes of God. Another role of the judges, though, not just to take care of society at the time and ensuring fairness, but is also to determine precedent. That is, they will have to determine, based on law, how a particular law can apply to a new case or evolve in a particular way. In other words, this portion serves as a basis for the role of the rabbis in our tradition to take the Torah, to interpret it, and to develop the system of Jewish law that we have today. That it is thanks to this portion that the rabbis saw the authority to interpret the text and to develop new principles, new customs, new rituals to make Judaism come to life and live independent of the temple in Jerusalem. A case in point for the authority found in this week's portion is the eclipse that will occur later today. I am recording this at just after 9 o'clock in the morning on Monday, August 21st, just a few hours after this great natural event of the eclipse will occur this afternoon. The rabbis debated centuries ago whether to recite a blessing for an eclipse, and we might wonder at the question that the rabbis have. An eclipse is a natural phenomena. There are blessings that are to be recited over other natural occurrences, the sighting of a rainbow, lightning and thunder, beautiful natural phenomena like Niagara Falls, the Grand Canyon, other things like that. Earthquakes even have a blessing for them as well. So if other natural phenomena, why not an eclipse? It would seem to make sense. But for the rabbis, an eclipse, they didn't understand the science behind the eclipse. They saw it as a bad omen. And one should not say a blessing, the rabbis say, over a bad omen. However, since we understand astronomy and the laws of the universe a little bit better than the rabbis did, obviously an eclipse is not an omen, and so therefore an eclipse, like any other natural phenomena, should have a blessing for it. And therefore, this is a case in point of how our portion, Shoftim, applies to Judaism today. As we see the eclipse this afternoon, we say the blessing Baruch Atah Adonai Eloheinu Melech HaOlam Oseh Ma'aseh Bereshit. Praised are you, Lord our God, ruler of the universe, who continues to make creation. Shabbat Shalom.